To our 2021 graduates, congratulations and welcome to the Illinois Institute of Technology Alumni Association. Last May, I said the same thing to the class of 2020. I also told them that we are living in unprecedented times. What I didn't tell them, and what I am going to tell you, is this. As you mature into your lives and careers, you will quickly learn that we are always living in unprecedented times. I don't say this to discourage or disappoint. In fact, I think this is one of life's greatest gifts. Every day, every moment as it comes to us is brand new. The world as it is now, right now, and you within it are unprecedented. The life you're living, your dreams, your intuition, and the choices you make are quite literally unprecedented. Each moment is yours to make what you choose. However, one thing we can be assured of is that no matter what happens, people are a constant. Throughout history, humans have had fairly simple needs. We need a purpose. We need community. We need accurate, trusted, and reliable information about what's going on in our world so we can learn about how the world is changing every day and how we might impact or shape the world that we live in. We need confident, caring leaders like yourselves to help us face unprecedented times with courage, with inspiration and optimism. On this significant milestone in your lives, I encourage each and every one of you to follow your dreams, trust your intuition, make choices from your heart, and set a precedent for being the best version of yourselves every day and lead the way. You may not hit a home run every time, but if you're as smart as I believe you all are, you know you get to take another swing at whatever you choose. Whatever you do, I hope you strive to make our world a better place for all of us. I'm reminded of myself at 17, quiet, shy, but determined. I turned down my first job offer as a bank teller because it would mean I had to sacrifice my chance to go to college. At the time, I did not know if my parents could afford my college education, but I believed that I would finish, and I did, with the help of grants, scholarships, internships, lots of encouragement, lots of support, and a little money from my parents. At 21, I was interviewing with AT&T Bell Laboratories for a job. After the 20-minute interview, and as the interviewer was walking me to the door, I asked, "Do you think you'll hire me?" And he replied, "You have what we're looking for." As fate would have it, and after other company interviews and offers, I chose to accept the offer from AT&T Bell Laboratories and was offered the opportunity to attend this great university, Illinois Institute of Technology, for graduate school, entirely paid for by AT&T Bell Laboratories. At 26, thanks to my determination, courage, confidence, that was nurtured by many mentors, many coaches, and advocates and sponsors, and the great education I received here at Illinois Tech, I became one of the first African-American women in technology to be promoted into management in the history of AT&T Bell Laboratories. Unprecedented. Today, I stand before you retired from a successful technology career that I absolutely loved. And I continue to touch the lives of those who want to be better leaders of themselves and of others. And as your proud alumni chair, I welcome you to the family of our 80,000 dedicated, caring alumni who are just over the moon for you and your journey ahead. Be inspired by your accomplishments today. And as you pursue many great, unprecedented moments ahead, speak proudly of this experience at your alma mater. After all, you join a long tradition of difference makers who turn unprecedented challenges into a brighter, better future for themselves, for their families, for their firms, and even for the world. Know that we are here for you to continue to learn, to connect with other alumni, and to grow your skills as you begin or continue to live your life with passion. We encourage your support to recruit students like yourself, to give your time as a mentor, to teach, even hire a student or a fellow alum. It's never too soon to start making a difference. As you grow in living out your passion and feel you want to give financially, know that your alma mater and its growing student family will indeed be grateful. It is your gifts as students, as alum, as friends of Illinois Tech that make scholarships possible, programs and facility upgrades possible, making it possible for the next generation to prepare themselves for their own unprecedented times. And while it may seem out of reach today, feel free to start planting seeds to leave a legacy of excellence and giving. We welcome your commitment to the growth and sustainability of our alma mater. In closing, may you stay curious, continuing your passion for learning, refined here at Illinois Tech. Be courageous, believing in who you are and pursuing your boldest dreams. Take risks, learn, and keep moving forward. Stay connected to each other and to this great university. Be confident that you can and will make an impact in everything you do. Stay committed to your unique journey. Be happy. Again, welcome to the Illinois Institute of Technology Alumni Association. You are here. No, we are here for each other, no matter what tomorrow brings. Go Hawks! Thank you so much.